Hello everyone. Previously, we have seen how to create a document schema configuration without using a source object. Further, we have also used a schema configuration and invoked document AI using APIs, Apex classes, and Flow. In this video, we'll particularly focus on creating document schema configuration using a source object, that is a UDMO. I'm Akshata Sawan, developer advocate at Salesforce, and with that, let's get started. Let's start by creating a new schema configuration, which can be created without using a source object. But today, we'll go ahead and create it using a source object. A UDMO, that is Unstructured Data Model Object, lets you turn unstructured files like PDF, emails into searchable structured schema so that you can further go ahead and index, query, and use the content in AI or personalization. The data otherwise would have remained in silos and unusable. As you can see, we already have an unstructured data model object UDMO present, which consists list of invoice like internet files in PDF format uploaded there. Let's go ahead and click next. And as my files are of PDF format, I'll choose the file type as PDF. And you can also opt in from the LLM models. I'm going ahead with the OpenAI GPT-4. Once done, let's configure our DLOs. You can either choose an existing data lake object, a DLO, or you can create a new one from scratch. Let's go ahead and create a new one. In order to create a DLO, we just need to give a DLO name, that is Internet Invoice. Once done, select Next. And now you're set to configure the document schema. Firstly, you can go ahead and review your LLM model. You can further go ahead and upload the document that needs to be processed. In this case, it's an internet invoice and internet bill in a PDF format that needs to be processed. Once done, you can also view the preview of your document here. It will take some time for the preview to load. And as you can see, it's a simple internet invoice with all the information around data and my account. Further, you can go ahead and generate the schema manually to the output DLO, or you can use the auto extraction method to generate fields and tables. Let's use the auto extraction method to generate schema and extract all the fields and tables from this document. Once it is done, you can review all the fields. You can also review the table and check out the columns. Once all your fields are accurate, if needed, you can go ahead and add new field. But as you can see, all the fields are complete here. And once your review is done, you can go ahead and test out the configuration. Once everything is as per your expected schema, you can go ahead and save this document schema configuration. You can also review your DLO again. And further go ahead and click Next and give your schema configuration a name. Internet Invoice Schema. Let's go ahead and click Save. And as you can see, our internet invoice schema has been generated. Further, you can reference this schema and invoke it via APIs, Apex classes, and also integrate it with Agentforce. And that's not all. You can use the output DLO and add it to a segment, data graph, or query. I hope you found this video helpful. Do watch out the other videos from this playlist, and thank you so much for watching.